Hello everybody, Brian here, doing another report on these trading baskets. Today is the 4th of April, it is 3:13 Eastern Standard Time. So let's go over this. This is one of the other reasons why I'm looking at, if you haven't seen my previous videos, posts, to move from central exchanges for crypto into futures options on the CME, which includes like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But now it's all out of one account with Interactive Brokers. So that's just one of the reasons why I'm just going to talk to you of this kind of performance we're able to achieve. Here in yellow, it's a standard benchmark S&P 500. And along here is another trading basket I generate. You can see these major upswings. When you catch them, they do quite well. This one overall, since May last year, 2021, we're up at 180%. Compounded annual growth rate 189.4%, whereas the S&P's only grown 13 or basically 13-14% over the last year. And the other big thing is when you look at the strategy for last year, it's just blown the doors off of, let's see here, the 2021 return here is, we want 2021 1 year 179%, 13.7% year to date. For this year 2022 we are at 61% right there, and negative 3.7% for the S&P. Also in terms of volatility, we only have two negative months. All the other months are pretty strong. Actually, let me one slightly negative, May last year, down 0.22%, down 14.51% in November last year, December down -4, and then -12.7. But you can see here the strength, especially this month, 36%, is pretty strong. So these are trading baskets that I like. If you want to know more, you have to log into the analytics section. They'll soon be all rolled into a major super membership, I guess you would call it. And that is going to be available at quantlabs.shop. If you want to know more, it's going to be part of the elite programming, all the different stuff. This one right here with a diamond. If you're not interested in that, you can just join the fun newsletter at quantlabs.net/contact. Get in on our forum, get you some free PDFs, and then we'll be able to get you all introduced to the other stuff we got going on. Thanks for watching.